In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to trade crypto trading. I'll be teaching you everything you need to know how to make you become a pro crypto trader. All I want you to do is to watch this video from the beginning to the end. Do not skip any part. And do to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon. For you to trade crypto, you need to register an account with a centralized exchange. And for sake of this video, I will make use of Bybit. In the description box, there's a link to sign up with either Bybit, Coinex, or Mexc exchange. You sign up on those exchange, on any of those exchange with the link description box, you're going to get a welcome bonus. After signing up, the next is for you to actually verify your account. You can come to this place that I click, and from there, you can verify your account either using your NI, your driver's license, on your ID. Once your account is verified, then you are good to go. Before you can start trading, you need to make deposit into your account. You need to make deposit. You need to have USDT. You can either send the USDT from another wallet or from another exchange to a centralized wallet, or you can buy USDT via the P2P. For those people who does not know how to use the P2P, I already made a video on how to buy and sell USDT with P2P. I'll leave the link to that video in the description box. Now, if you have USDT in your wallet, what you need to do, the next step is for you to actually transfer that USDT to Unified 3D. If I click on this particular place, I'm going to see asset. On the asset, if you go down, you're going to see you have 4D account, Unified 3D account. Money, USDT that is in Unified 3D account is what we use for trading. While if you receive USDT from another wallet or from P2P, I'm going to receive that USDT in your funding account. So what we need to do is to transfer the USDT from our funding account to our Unified 3D account. To do that, next is open up your funding account. As you can see, I have level USDT. I put in this to make demonstration. So what we're doing is to come to say transfer. And we simply transfer it from funding to Unified 3D. You can say funding to Unified 3D. If you want to also transfer from Unified 3D to funding, because it's only money that's in funding account that you can transfer at that. And also if you want to receive USDT from that wallet, the USDT will also land in your funding account. So when I'm transferring it from funding to Unified 3D on this place USDT, I'm going to put or I'm going to put confirm. This transaction does not require gas fee. So once I've done that, the next step is for you to come to this place say trade. You can see trade. We have the spot trading and we have the futures trading. So these other ones are very much advanced. Trade 5 is like you trading forex. It's like you trading forex on Bybit. This is a new feature that Bybit added. But we're talking about crypto trading, right? So we're talking about either spot trading or futures trading. Now let's start with the spot trading. With the spot trading is very easy, the simplest form of trading. And with this trading, the potential of you making good amount of profit is actually very less because on this trading, you actually make profit when there's increase in price movement. For example, on this space right, we are seeing BTC right at $106,000. You get if on this particular trade, if you buy Bitcoin, you get the only time you're going to make profit from this Bitcoin that you bought is if the price of Bitcoin move from 106,000 to like 110,000. You get or $120,000. You get and if with that the percentage of profit you're going to make is very small. You get the only way you can use method to make profit is when you are trading coins with low market cap, like coins that the lower that can increase in price very fast. I believe you have heard about meme coin trading. Usually people are making so much money in meme coin trading because their market cap is very small. Those coins they can easily move, like they can easily their price movement can easily move very fast. Get people doing investment like buying only coin. Most times this is what they do. They look for good coins. They buy the coin. They hold the coin for months or even years, and once the price in of that coin increase, they make profit from it. Now, on this page I've seen, let me explain. This right here is the chart. As you can see, there right here you can select the time frame of the chart. Here is what we call the order book. This place on red are people selling. You get they put in limit order or people sell the price that they want to sell. That they want to sell Bitcoin. Get right this right is the current market price. This right here is people that want to buy. You can see they put in the price that they want to buy Bitcoin. And in this place where you put in the orders, you get, I'm going to explain everything in details. And right here is where you get to deposit or transfer. On this place, you get to see your pending orders and if you are in trade. Then this place right here is what we call the pair. You get the trading pair. So if you want to trade any coin, you can simply go to this place and search for the coin right here. You get, so you are trading BTC against USDT or ETH against USDT, getting spot trading. For example, if I want to trade Dodge, I can simply search for Dodge coin DOGA. So bring it, I can see Dodge against USDT get. So for sake of this, we will make use of BTC as an example. So for you to trade, like I said, this trade requires you buying the coin, holding it. When the price movement, you sell, you get really fundamental. Though they also use technical analysis. So on this base right here, we have the limit order and a market order. This is the buy and the sell. If you want to buy, you put it on buy and then you say, okay, now limit and market order. As you can see right here, if you put this in limit order allows you to set the specific price that you want to buy a coin. You get, for example, BTC coin market price is 106,423. But I want to buy it at a much lower price. Maybe I've done my technical analysis and I felt that okay, the price of BTC is going to drop. I want to buy at a lower price, let's say at $100,000. So on this, you can simply put in $100,000 you get on this particular place. You put in $100,000. Then on this place, you're going to put the amount you want to buy, the quantity. You get this is the price, the quantity of which is I want to buy. And you can also use your slider to say, okay, maybe you want to use 9% of your portfolio or 10% of the USDT you have, you get. And this basically going to see the value. Let's say you can simply type into maybe you want to spend 5 USDT. Maybe our level USDT here, this place where you put in, and this is the amount of USDT you're going to get in, and you want to buy at $100,000 you get. So on this place where you go to simply put in the buy, and once you click on buy, it's going to summarize it. I want to buy USDT at this market price, $100,000 at this price. I'll be getting this amount of BTC and I'm spending 5 USDT. I'm going to tap on buy now. So as you can see, the transaction will come into this called the pending order. Transaction will not go through. If we only go through when the price of Bitcoin has dipped to $100,000, get this is what the limit order will do for you. So immediately the price of Bitcoin dipped to $100,000, this transaction is going to trigger and I'm going to buy Bitcoin. So on this page, you can also make edit. If you want to edit the price, you can do so right here. You can do edit the amount of this, you can do so right here. But right now, I'm going to cancel this gate. Then for the market order is straightforward. Market order simply means you want to buy the Bitcoin at this current market price. You can simply come and put in the amount of USDT you want to spend, you get, and type on buy now, it's going to buy the USDT immediately. Then for the sell to, it's still the same. If you want to sell, you can simply put in the amount of Bitcoin you want to sell. Maybe, okay, you have Bitcoin currently now, you bought Bitcoin at this market price, and you felt okay, Bitcoin is going to rise when it gets to, let's say, 110 market cap. I want to say 110 market cap. You simply put in the price right here. For the limit, you put in the price right here that you want to sell. You want to sell at 110, yet put in the price, put the amount you want to say, and you tap on say, it will going to be in this pending order page. It will only say when the price of Bitcoin is going to 110, you get. And also, if you want to also say at the coin market price, you can put in market price and you can say. So, guys, this is all for spot trading. If you have any question, go to ask me that in the comment section. Now, let's go over to futures trading. In this video, we're talking about futures trading. So to get to futures trading, go to click on trade and go to click on futures trading. So guys, futures trading is actually called derivative trading and it is also called leverage trading. This is the most profitable kind of trading. This is kind of trade that most people do every single day. Yet with this trading, you don't have to wait for like days to make profits. So this trading, we single price movements, like we did like price move from this place to this particular place or from here to here, you can still make profit you get because I'm working with leverage. And this is the trade that most of us do. Where people say they are crypto traders, just we do every single day. And this trade actually requires technical analysis. Before you can do this, you need to analyze charts before you can trade. So futures trading Also, the interface is kind of similar to that of the spot trade. Here is the chart to other book is where you place your trade, and we have the isolated and the cross, which I'll be explaining. And here's where you choose your leverage. So if you observe in when we were trading, this is the trading pair. When we were trading spot trading, you will see BTC, there'll be a slash the USDT. For futures trading, it is BTC, there's no slash USDT. And if you want to select any other coin, let's say Dogecoin, for example, so you can see Doge USDT, like there's no slash, but in spot trading, you will see slash get separating the first coin you are going to trade against the USDT. So as always, this is what the chart, and here is your other book to replace the chart. So the major difference is this place called isolated. You get isolated and cross. Remember when I send in my money to Unified Trade, I send in level USDT to Unified Trade. You get if, for example, in that level USDT, I want to trade with just 2 USDT. You get I don't want the others to support. Like I want to trade just 2 USDT. I'll put it in isolated. And if I go into this particular trade with like 2 USDT, you get if this thing hits my stop loss, I'm going to lose just 2 USDT. Or if it's my liquidation price, I'm going to lose just 2 USDT. But if I put it on cross, you get, and I decide and I go into this particular market, you get, with 2 USDT, if it hits my liquidation price, I'm going to lose all the money in my accounts. I will lose all level USDT. So this is between cross and isolation and isolated. But the good thing about cross is that with cross, the liquidation price is very far from your stop loss. Because why with isolated, your liquidation price close to your stop loss. You understand that later. You get so if you have a very good stop loss and you use it cross before the market go to your liquidation price, it will first have to hit your stop loss. So with that, you just lose the 2 USDT. But if it hits your liquidation price, you get to lose all the money in your account. Then leverage. Leverage tells you how much you're going to make. For example, if this particular coin, as you can see right here, this is actually a downward trend from what I'm seeing right here. So if this coin, the price movement decreases by 1%, get for spot trading, I'm going to make my profit I make will be like increase by 1%, you get. While for level, if I'm using 10%, 10x levels, I'll make it 10%, you get profit. So if I enter this trade and it goes in my favor, if it goes 1% in my favor, I'm using 10x, I'll make it 10 times the profit. I'm using 25x, I'll make it 25x my profit. It also goes the same way, like the other way. If I'm losing, you get if it goes against me by 10, I'm using 10x leverage, you get if it goes against me by 1%, you'll be losing 10 times my money. You get if I use 25x leverage, I'll be losing 25 times the money I put. But if it goes in my favor, I use 10x leverage, I'll be making 10 times my profit. Same thing goes with this. So most times for newbies, it is recommended you use 10x leverage. So we have the limit and the market. Limit and market is very similar to what I've explained before. So I've analyzed this particular market and I've seen that okay, I want to, for example, I want to long. You get I want to long, so that means I want to buy and predict that the price of this coin is going to go up. You get the coin has dumped into this place. Because that okay, my technical analysis, this coin wants to go up. I want to long. You get which means I want to buy. But I don't want to long at this coin market price. I want to buy this coin, which means long. I predict that the coin go up at, let's say, at when it's like at 0.5, you get I predict that it's going to go up at 0.500, you get. I'm gonna put the price on this place. On this place, since I'm using 10x leverage, I want to trade 2 USDT. I'm using 10x leverage. I'm not going to put 2, I'm going to put 2 times 10, which will be 20, you get. So I'm using 5x leverage, will be 2 times 5, which will be 10. I'm using 50x leverage, will be 2 times 50, yes, which should be 100. So I'm using the money you want to use to enter, use them to multiply your leverage, you get. So On this place, I can put in my take profit and put my stop loss. So I can simply click on take profit and stop loss. So my take profit, let's say I want to take profit at this particular place, which is 0.168. And my stop loss, I want to put my stop loss at 0.1578. Stop loss 0.1578. So take profit simply means that if I enter at this particular market price, it gets at this price, if it hits my take profit, I'm making $2.4, you get. But if it hits my stop loss, I'll be losing 0.98, you get. What's the current market price is 0.1598. So I can simply come to this place and we'll tap on long, which means I believe that it's going to go up. And if I do this long and stop loss below the current price, okay, the current market price is what? The price of the coin is at 0.15796. So the reason why I know it's the normal increase because I did not analyze the chart, so I just put in figures to get. But I'm just trying to use this out to explain to you. So if you want to sell, first means that the coin wants to go down, you get. So you want to sell, you can put table and stop loss, and here you put in short. Okay, for the market order, let's say I pray that the price wants to go up, you get. So also I'm using tennis leverage and I'm going with 2 years. It is every 2 times 10, it should be like 20, right? So on this place, I feel that my take profit should be at this place 0.168. My stop loss should be at this they went or lower than that, which is like 0.156. 156. You get. Okay, since I'm produced that it is going up. So you can see that if it might take profit, I'm going to make $1. While if it's my stop loss, I'm going to lose 0.4. So I believe that it is going to go up. You get, so I'm going to tap on long. And if I do this, as you can see, it's going to give the summary. I'm buying Dodge, yet longing Dodge. The liquidation price is 0.78. If this limit that if it's my liquidation price, I'm going to lose all the money in my account. But since I'm using cross, I'm going to lose just over the 2 USDT. But if I'm using since I'm using isolated, with my liquidation price, I'm going to lose just the 2 USDT. But if I'm using cross, I'm going to lose everything. But my stop loss is what? 0.1560. With my stop loss, I'm just lose about 0.46 get. With my take profit, I'm going to make about 1 USDT, right? But please check right here 0.078 and 0.156. Which one is lower? I can see that liquidation price is lower. This means that this price, if it go against me, go to my liquidation, my stop loss first, go to my liquidation price. This means that I'm protected. This, if it my stop loss, I'm going to lose just the 0.4 USDT. I'm not losing everything in my account, you get. So when you're going to this trade, ensure your so if you are longing, ensure that your stop loss is higher than your liquidation price, you get. So after this, tap on confirm. Click on confirm, you can see it's actually failed because I think time out, so it took time for me to submit to it. I'm going to tap on confirm again. So as you can see, that has been paid. So on this particular place, you'll get to actually see the trade I've taken. Position, right? I'm going to see the trade I've taken. So this means that this trade has actually started. It's like a trade has been executed because I make it at the current market price. So I'm just going to remove this so that I can show you guys other things I want to show you on this place. So guys, if you scroll right here, I'm going to see my unrealized profit is 0.31%. This is the amount of USDT I've made profit get. So the unrealized P&L, see this is the unrealized profit, return on investment, take profit stop loss. If you want to make adjustment to it to your stop loss, you can make adjustment to your take profit on this place. You can also make adjustment to your stop loss get at this place too. So take profit by how we can set to make adjustments for stop loss. You just have to screw this. You can make adjustment to your stop loss get on this place too if you want. Then if you want to close to, you can also do this. We want me to make the video on how to break even, stop loss, how to do all those things. I already make a video about that. So this is how it works. So right now I'm going to close this trade. So I want to close this trade. This is my Kenya 1.7. To close the trade, I'll just scroll down. You can see close by market or limit. So if you totally a market, click on market and tap on confirm. It's going to confirm and it has closed this particular trade for me. So guys, these are it is. Why if you are selling, all you need to do is to click on short, meaning that you feel that the coin wants to go down. So I'm going to give you guys a risk signal, right? So just like I said, to make use of futures trading, you need to know technical analysis. You get right now as a beginner, going to know technical analysis is going to take a while. So, but you can do my Telegram channel there. I share free signal yet for you all. Also have a playlist that can teach you guys how to trade technical analysis get and to read chart and be able to predict price movement and throw that playlist out. So if you do my Telegram channel, I'm going to see something like this. This is a signal for .USDT. As you can see, short, limit order, entry, take profit, stop loss. Get entry, take profit, stop loss. So on just to enter this, you can come to this. So what I said was .USDT, which is right here, and short, limit down, shorting this coin, and it is limit order. You get. So the entry was what? So you just have to copy this. The entry was 0.16. So you just copy the entry, and all you do is you come to this place, put this place for the price, then then click your take profit. So come right here, copy your take profit, which is this, right? Take profit, then for your stop loss and come put in your stop loss. So you can see, right? So if you do this, then since we are shorting, you click on short. If you do this, it's going to confirm. You can see we are shorting, right? The liquidation price is 0.256, stop loss is 0.156. If we are shorting it, afraid that the price of the coin is going to go down. So if the price of the coin is going up, it means that the market is going against you. And this check right here, if the price of the coin is going up, it's going to hit 0.16 space for you hit 1.02, which means that this coin is going to likely hit your stop loss or hit your liquidation price. So even if you use what I cross, again, if you use cross, the liquidation price will be very far. Again, so you're going to hit your what? Your stop loss phase. Also, you always check this that it's your stop loss phase, it's your liquidation price. I'm going to tap on confirm. And if I confirm this, as you can see that since it is limit order, it's not good, trade is not going to go through. It will only go through when the price of the coin, when the price is at 0.164, the coin price is 0.15, yes, it's not going to go through now. So on this place, I had to also cancel it, basically tap on cancel on this place. So guys, this is simply how you can actually trade cryptocurrency trading. If this video finds it helpful, do it to like, subscribe on the bell icon, in my Telegram channel to always get free signal and free offers. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.